Hello, this is Sarah Ruyer. I'm a fourth grade teacher at Glendale, and I'm going to explain how you can create and use a classroom homepage to simplify things for your students within the Teams platform. As a fellow elementary teacher, you may have noticed that one of the hurdles to using Teams is that it's not exactly as kid-friendly as some of the other sites and apps that we're used to using. One way we've discovered that may make Teams easier to navigate for students and their families is to create a one-stop homepage. The idea is that you can show students and families how to find your homepage, and then once they get there, you can link them to anything else that they may need for distance learning. So it's one spot students and families can go to find everything that they need. So I've created a sample page to show you some different examples. And on this page, I've added some emoji. So it says start here. I've got the red dot. Students would come here, and then I've added a tab that says home. When they click home, it pulls up the classroom homepage. So this is basically a hyperdoc. This is a document in which web links are embedded and can be easily clicked on. Once you learn how to create a hyperdoc, it can be a really helpful tool for creating distance learning assignments because you can include all of your needed links within your assignment without taking up space with lengthy URLs. I'm going to start by showing you a few different examples of what a classroom homepage can look like in Teams. If you've seen images of Bitmoji classrooms on the internet, that's basically what this page is. But because not every teacher is going to want to create a Bitmoji or spend hours customizing their furniture, I'm calling it the classroom homepage, and I've created some more generic templates that you can use. Within Teams, there are tabs. So once you've created your homepage, like you see here, you can create a tab to make it easy to find for your students. From there, you can have links embedded in this document, and when the student clicks that link, it will take them directly to the website you need them to go to. You can also link to videos if you've created videos for your students which you want them to see. And you can link to OneDrive files. So in this case, I said click here for assignments, and then I link them to a file that had assignments for the week. So this is just one example. This is what I started off with, and I created it for myself and picked out all of the different elements. I'm going to show you a couple of other examples before we get started. The second example I have is a more generic version of what this could look like. So the point isn't really to just have this cutesy thing with tons of adorable furniture, although that is fun for a lot of us. But really the point is to have a homepage like you would on a website to make it super easy for your students to find anything that they need to find. And every image on here is a link. So this is one of the templates, very basic template I've included. And I also have a link to the Marshall County Schools homepage here as well. Now, if you want to get more complicated with this and you want to create your own classroom instead of using the templates that I've created, you can definitely do that. And there's a really helpful video tutorial that goes into more detail about how to do that. Brianna Cecil has created that, and I'm going to link it in the document with all the templates. And another option, she created one where she had a calendar, and when you click on the calendar, it takes you to that page in the document if you want to do more of a daily assignment view. So you can reach out to her. I've also included her email in the document too if you would like to ask for more help with that. One thing I do want to point out here is that in your general channel, you cannot move these tabs at the top. So it's post, files, class notebook, assignments. These are already there for you, and you can't move your classroom closer. So like I wanted to put my classroom to be the first thing for the kids to click on. You can't do that, unfortunately. But if you create your own channel, there aren't as many tabs, and you will be able to fit it so that they can see it. So that's why I've created a channel here and added it as a home button here.